Hi, good morning everybody. Friends, today I am going to introduce you one of my student who is Mr. Ajit and who is into computer science engineering from IIT Indore. Yes, when I say
Hi,
IIT,
sir.
hi, how are you Ajit?
I'm doing great, sir.
Good, good. So Ajit, tell me when you carry this badge of IIT, like how you feel?
So it's really great to have this brand, so-called brand called IIT,
Okay,
and I get recognition everywhere from the non-IITians and many of my relatives.
okay,
Even our elderly persons who don't know much about this modern education system, when I first said them that I'm joining an IIT, they were very excited. So it's the kind of impact that it embarks upon all the people.
okay,
And
great.
one of the main advantage of IIT is it can be recognized even outside India.
Okay, okay.
So
Global recognition is
uh,
there.
yeah, global recognition. When I went to my foreign trip in my first years,
Okay.
when I'm talking to some stranger in the US, California, when I said that I'm from IIT, then he said, "Oh, you must be an intelligent person then." So
Okay,
that's the
okay.
kind of recognition we have all over India and all over outside India also.
Very good. Very good.
Yeah.
Great, great. And Ajit, like whom you acknowledge, like for getting into IIT, from whom you got trained, and I think there will be one person whom you will be always
Yeah.
thankful who helped you to get into IIT.
I'm thankful to my uh, college, which is means before the 10th class, I don't even know about those IIT concepts and those all. When
Okay.
I came to Tirumala College, you
Okay.
must have heard that.
Yeah.
In
Yeah.
that, the director Tirmal Rao sir has helped me so much in preparing myself for IIT. Means
Okay.
actually I am not up. Means I don't know much of the concept that those students have already learned. I came
Okay.
from another class, so he trained me. He
Okay.
explained me the concepts, and even I had one-on-one meetings with him directly.
Great. Great.
So he
So
has inspired me.
So the Tirumala Junior College, like you have done your intermediate first year and second year, I think it plays
Yes,
major role in your life to get into IIT.
yes, definitely, sir.
Okay, okay,
They
okay,
have means we do tests every day. We do mock tests every day, which make me train into IIT.
great, great, great. I think there are thousands of students who are thankful to Mr. Trimal Rao Garu. Like he is
Yeah,
such a wonderful person and helping everyone like to get into IIT.
yes,
Ajit, most of the students who are planning for engineering, they have a dream to get into IIT, if I'm not wrong. Like
yes.
everyone may not get, but everyone will have a dream to go into IIT. So what is there special in IIT? Like you said about recognition, that's fine. But once you get into IIT, is there any difference between the college life for non-IIT and IIT?
Yeah. In IIT, as I said, there are not only studies, but we have many other co-curricular activities also.
Okay,
There we can meet people with different cultures, different mindsets, and different intelligent people as well.
great,
Outside of the college, I might look great, but inside of the college, I have a huge competition between them.
great, great, really.
And even the professors who come into IIT, they are very trained and
Okay,
they already have major recognition in the world.
okay,
Those kind of great professors come into IIT. And in my opinion, there is also a much better equipment for research and projects. There is a much scope of research in IITs.
okay, okay. So that's
Yeah.
the reason people are crazy about getting into IIT.
The main reason is that they want to kind of build up an image outside of the world,
Okay,
in
okay,
front
okay.
of the people.
Fine,
What everybody likes recognition. Yeah.
fine, fine. I'm into training industry since 15 plus years, and I think I have trained like thousands of students like who completed intermediate and they want to go for engineering. And I have students who are studying in like IIT. Like when you are in like I think first year or second year, you came to me and you have got trained for Java. And after completion of intermediate, you got trained on C language, isn't it?
Yes.
So my next question is like how my training, like the C programming language training, has helped you in your like first year of engineering?
Yeah. So it definitely helped me in the first year, because in the first year we have a C language course, and in our college people are professors expect us to self learn. They won't teach much of the concepts.
Okay.
So we know that it is better to get learned first than doing self learn. We can definitely do it by self learning, but it's a difficult task.
Right.
Means if they take 4 hours of time, I might take 1 hour of time with prior coaching.
Right. The one like very valid point you have expressed. Really.
Yes. And also C language is not just a basic language. It is used in many of the applications like operating systems, compiler design, and so on. I can tell you one of the example which I have used C language.
Okay.
It is in networking. In my networking course, I have built a news feed. In that, suppose many people, there is a category called sports, and many people get enrolled to that.
Okay.
If a person want to keep a sports article, it will be transferred to all of their clients. I have built that thing using the C language. So the C language is, C language socket programming.
Okay.
So C language has a lot more scope than you think there is.
Fine. Generally, people thinks that it's getting 90 out of 100 in BTech first year. That's what C language is all about.
Yeah.
So, like I want to clear that misconception from the student's mind that C language can take you anywhere in the industry. Means that is the language which is having that much of potentiality. That's when my classes I keep on saying it's the mother of all languages.
Yes, it's the basic stepping stone of all languages also.
Okay, so it has really helped you to learn other languages like what you are learning today? Like it's having any impact?
Yeah. For me, shifting from C to C++ became easy in some of the cases. Because I'll give you some analogy.
Okay.
In order to ride a bike, like motorcycle, if we learn cycle, we get a sort of balancing thing which will be easier to learn motorcycle than learning it directly.
Yeah.
So it is similar. Instead of if we learn a new language, we need to learn the concepts which are specific to that. We don't need to start from the basics again. So in C++, I don't need to start from the for loops, while loops again. I can directly go on to start learning OOPS concepts.
OOPS concepts means
because I have already.
Yeah, syntax is clear. You need to work only on the concept wise of C++.
Yeah, what are the concepts which are newly arrived in C++? I need to learn only that.
Right.
So half of my hard work is clear. Means half of my work is completed. I have learned the syntax and those things in C language in your training sessions.
Okay. And Ajit, like what's your future plan? Like what you want to do in future?
Sir, as of now, I have still 1 year to decide my future plan. But my passionate thing is I do competitive programming so much. So I am planning in future, maybe I can take classes to newly arrived students who might be new to competitive programming.
Very good. Then our community is open for this because like I have trained thousands of students as of now, and the process keep on going. So actually I used to take classes completely offline. I think you are aware of that. And
yes,
each batch used to have 40 to 50 students, isn't it?
Yeah.
but because of this COVID, I have completely shifted the training model. Right now, I'm taking completely online sessions, and
Okay.
this is really great. Like people from different part of the world, like any part of the world, can get trained by me actually.
Yes.
And what I want to do is I'm going to build a community of my students where seniors can help, or we can say guide the upcoming students actually.
Yes.
That's what my main objective is all about. That's the reason actually every week I'm conducting a tech talk show with my students so that other community members will be inspired.
That's a great initiative, sir.
Thank you so much. I have right now I'm taking one online batch for some engineering students. Along with some engineering students, few high school students have joined actually. They are in 8th class actually.
Okay.
Initially I thought whether to take admission or not. And I felt that if I take admission, there will be a huge burden on me actually. Because I believe how an 8th class student will learn C programming. But
Okay.
Ajit, you won't believe, today they are writing programs of 100 to 150 lines, and I'm really surprised with their
Yes.
passion. So now I've decided let's take classes for high school students also, who are in 7th to 10th standard. And if they get proper training, if they get right mentor, really they can do wonders at high school level. That's I realized in this COVID situation actually. So my question
Yes.
is being an IIT engineering students from computer science background, if an 8th, 9th, 10th class student learns coding, will it be helpful for them actually?
Yes, sir.
Opinion actually, I'm asking your opinion. Being a senior when compared to the high school students.
Yeah. Means they can definitely follow their passion at a young age, because at those times they will have a relatively less load than us. So they will have more time to learn something.
Yeah.
And at that time their intellectuality also will be more. Means they'll have the more memory power at that time.
Right.
Because they won't have many diversions at that time at their age.
Right. Great.
So they will have more scope to learn, and they will have a chance to decide how they want to shape their career at such young age. Then they could become a great people in future.
Right. Students should have passion actually at that age actually to learn something new.
Yes. Means we must introduce them at that age. But because I don't know about this C language and those things at that age.
Right.
Means if they get an idea of what C language is, what C++ is, they can start building their core concepts at their age, and they can do much more than others in future. It will give them an edge over others.
Yeah. That's a nice point. And you said about Ajit, you said about competitive programming. So
Yeah.
can you brief about that so that I have a huge community, so that those community people will understand if they don't have idea about this. So you just brief that competitive programming and how they can start actually.
Okay, so competitive programming is like a sport in that it is just solving logical problems. So you will have a particular task, you need to code that task and print its required output within a specific time limit.
Okay.
And also the memory we need to use should be limited. They give a limited memory space to use while coding.
Okay.
So we have lot many competitive programming sites like HackerRank, Codeforces, and so on.
Okay.
If they visit those sites, they will get a better understanding of what competitive programming is. It's just solving fun puzzles. They'll definitely enjoy that, and parallelly they will improve their coding skills also.
Okay. So before getting into competitive programming, they should have, I think, learning of C language once. They should complete the course once.
Yeah.
and then
Yeah.
they should go for competitive programming.
Yes, definitely.
And what's your rank actually? Like you are working on different websites, I think, for competitive programming.
Yeah. So in Codeforces, my rank is of master level.
Okay.
There are different levels in Codeforces. In Codeforces, I am a master, and in CodeChef, I have a 5-star rating. In that,
Great.
7-star is the highest, and I'm currently at 5-star rating.
Okay. So you are trying to achieve that 7-star rating.
Yes, I'm doing this much as a hobby. Means
Okay.
I don't feel burden in doing this.
Okay.
I feel it fun to solve.
Fun, like you are enjoying solving those problems.
Yeah, it helps us thinking. It helps us in creative thinking, which will
Right.
be useful for me in future also in the real-time industries.
Right. So Ajit, like if an engineering student who wants to start his career in computer science engineering or any branch of engineering you take, I think when they come to 4th year, they try to attend software interviews and they try to get jobs in software industry. I think you are aware of that.
Yes.
Because campus recruitment is more of software side rather than the core side. If I'm not wrong, is it right?
Yes, sir. Campus recruitment is software side. Yes.
Okay. So is there any list of programming languages so that they should be get prepared for attending these campus interviews from your perspective? Actually,
programming means it depends on what projects they make, sir.
Okay.
If it's a web application, they need to learn this JavaScript, jQuery, and those things.
Okay.
If it's like networking related things, they need to learn C++, C, as I said before.
Okay.
Means it depends on the specific projects they make. I can't say particular language, but maybe every language can be useful in some particular project. Those Java, Python, and every language.
Right.
I have in my projects I have used C, C++, and Python.
Okay. These 3 languages you have used in your projects.
Yeah.
So fine. Like our community members will understand that we can develop projects by using C, C++ also, isn't it?
Yes.
Why? Because people
Definitely.
think that C, C++ is just for getting 90 marks out of 100. And once it is done, they'll forget that. It means after completion of first year, they'll forget C language and they feel that, okay, like a huge burden is released from their mind. Means I have seen such students actually, and everyone may not be like that.
So in C++, I have coded one algorithm known as autocomplete search.
Okay.
And I have listed that project in my resume. It is something like we will type some prefix of a word and we'll get suggestions of that.
Like in Google search, how you get the same way.
Yeah, I have coded that internal logic algorithm using C++.
The complete project is in C++.
Yes, means I have developed that algorithm and I have kept it as a project.
Okay. Great. So we can say like C and C++ are the foundation level programming languages if someone wants to step into IT career.
Yes, sure, definitely.
Okay. And like how the education system in IITs is different from non-IITs? Can you elaborate it that little bit briefly?
Yeah. Yes. So in IITs, we will do lot many projects than other non-IITs according to what I feel. Because I hear from non-IITs the people who are my friends who say that is there any project that they can do and so on. By that time we have done lot many projects. So in IITs everything will be like project oriented. Every course will be.
Learning
And
by
also
doing concept. Learning by doing.
Yeah, learning by doing. And also we can do lot many research projects with professors. We have lot much interaction with professors, and also there will be many more intelligent people than us. So we will compete with each other in learning. that
Right.
competition could be missing in other non-IITs.
Right. Yeah. And how is your like IIT Indore campus?
Yeah, it is IIT Indore campus is mostly developed. It's still under development.
Okay.
Means they are adding like sports complex and those things, sir.
Okay.
And a new library is about to come.
Okay.
And IIT Indore, it is a very nice campus. Means it is a very spacious campus. Everybody is free and they are liberal. It's a very friendly community. And
Main in IITs, we'll get people from different cultures and
Yes.
different languages, and I think our thought process also will change actually.
yeah,
That's what I can believe.
we have different clubs also: dance club, music club,
Okay.
badminton club, and so on.
Means along with education, extracurricular activities also at the same level.
Yes.
Okay. Ajit, like when
And
it comes to, yeah, tell me, please tell me.
Yes. I want to say something that if they keep their goal at IIT and once they join IIT, and
Okay.
they should not be lazy and leave their dream, because I saw many of them failing in subjects. So
Okay.
at any point you stop, your success ends there.
Okay. Means
You
getting
need
into IIT, and after that also you have to keep on working actually.
keep on working.
Okay.
We need to learn concepts we love. Means also I want to say everybody wants to join a particular branch or so on.
Hmm.
Means they should not join just because others want to join. They
Right.
need to once research those branches and join the particular branch they wish to.
Right.
Choose.
Actually, 90% of the students, what they do is
Yes.
they see what their friends are doing, or
Yes.
what their family members are like in which area, and if they are earning more in that, if they are in,
Yes.
then we follow that actually.
In long term they will feel bit like suffering, sir. So just I want to say that they need to love what they do.
Yeah. Very.
It's not about money always.
Yeah, love what they do. Really an awesome point actually. See, I love teaching. That's why it's been 15 years journey, but still I have the same kind of energy, and I really enjoy what I am doing. Like
Yes.
what you said, you should love your work.
Yes.
Ajit, one more point. Like when it comes to IIT Computer Science, I think
Okay.
the topmost college is IIT Bombay, isn't it, for computer science? Like,
Yes. Ours will be in top 5 or top 10, sir, according to.
okay.
But the topmost is IIT Bombay. Definitely.
IIT Bombay, like I think one of the toughest challenge to get into IIT Bombay, isn't it?
Yes, definitely.
Okay. So Ajit, thank you so much for your inputs, and if our community members requires your suggestions, then please you be available there. I have a Facebook
Yes.
group actually where I'm adding all my students, and if they have any doubts, they'll be asking over there. And I have a separate Telegram group also. So slowly I'm building that online community, because all these days, all these years, I'm in offline actually world. Is it clear? I think you're aware of that. So
Yes,
now
yes.
I'm building completely the online community. So once this online community is built, then people can get benefited by sitting any part of the world. That's what my
Yes.
objective is all about. Okay, so
Yes.
once again, Ajit, thank you so much. And finally, can you give your suggestion saying that what will be the programming languages to begin the career, beginner's language, so that everyone can start their career?
So the beginner's language I would suggest is C, but we need to allow them to research their own languages. Means it will depend on what the future they are oriented to.
Okay.
But according to me, if you learn C, it would be beneficial to learn other languages also. With C, you can learn the logics, and with
Okay.
other languages, you can learn further extensions to those logics.
Fine. Means we can say it is a beginner's language. You start with C, then
Yeah.
you can do wonders in any programming language.
Yeah, as you say every time, sir, syntax is not what it takes. Logic is the important thing.
Yeah. Means I quote one statement that is,
Yeah.
programming languages may come and go,
Yes.
okay, but the logic will remain the same. That's what my favorite statement is all about.
Yes.
See, today if
I have heard it many times.
Today if I am able to work with some 15 to 20 different languages, that's only because of I'm focusing on the concept as well as the logic. And new languages are coming, old are going, but still you have to be there, and that will happen if you focus on the logic part and the concepts.
Yes.
So it's very nice talking to you, Ajit, and I'll be inviting you to our community when we require your inputs, and next time we'll come up with some unique concept actually, and we'll be discussing on that unique concept. It's like how we can develop projects by using C and C++. I think I'll create this concept, and we'll discuss, and if required you can show practically, you can share your screen, and you can show like how they can start developing projects in C and C++. Okay, so once again, thank you so much, and bye-bye.
Yeah.
Take care.
Yeah.
Wish you all the best.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you for this opportunity, sir.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Yeah. Bye.